Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Civaderm Anti-Acne Cream. Civaderm is a skincare cream made to treat skin problems like acne, eczema, itches, bites, fungi and skin infections. It treats by cleaning and drying up the affected area. Civaderm has a milk-like color and a thick creamy texture. Civaderm has a hot menthol sensation on the skin when applied. It may provoke tears, but it cools down after a few minutes. Yes, Civaderm is effective in treating acne or skin blemishes. It reduces unwanted oil found on the face. It also removes dead and dry skin cells. It stops and reduces itches from bites, mosquitoes and others, when applied, and helps affected areas to heal faster. Caution: don't overuse it. It may dry your skin and cause it to become twisted or peeled. Use it once or at most twice a week on your face. How to use Civaderm. Wash your face properly, preferably with soap, and pat dry. Moisturize your face with any natural oil. Apply the Civaderm pomade evenly on your face, neck or chest. Massage gently. Leave it on your face or skin until it no longer feels hot on your skin. Wipe with a disposable wipe, because it is hard to wash out. Wash your face with soap to clean out any remaining product on your face or skin. Moisturize properly. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.